Want to know how to enable notifications in Navan? This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can stay on top of your updates in the software. Whether you're new to Navan or just trying to get your settings right, enabling notifications is a key feature for managing your alerts and tasks efficiently. First, let's dive right in. To enable notifications in Navan, start by opening the application and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your settings by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings to open your preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you'll want to look for the Notifications tab. This section allows you to customize how and when you get notified about different activities within Navan. You'll see various notification types, such as push notifications for updates, emails for critical alerts, and in-app notifications for activity within the platform. To enable notifications, simply toggle the switches for the types of alerts you want to receive. For example, if you want to be notified when a new project is assigned to you, make sure the related toggle is switched on. You can even set preferences for how frequent these notifications are, ensuring that you stay updated without feeling overwhelmed. One important feature here is the ability to customize the channels through which you receive your alerts. Navan allows you to set up both mobile push notifications and email notifications. If you prefer to get notified on your mobile device, make sure you have the mobile app installed and the push notifications enabled within your phone's settings. For email alerts, just check the relevant boxes in your Navan notification settings to ensure that you don't miss any important updates. Now, if you want to fine-tune these notifications even more, you can adjust the frequency of the alerts. Navan allows you to choose whether you'd like immediate updates, daily summaries, or weekly overviews, giving you full control over how often you get notified. It's also worth mentioning that you can set up specific notifications based on project or team updates, so you're not bombarded with irrelevant information. This level of customization helps streamline your experience, ensuring that you're only getting the alerts that matter most to your workflow. If you're using Navan in a team environment, enabling notifications is crucial for staying synced with your colleagues. With team updates and real-time alerts, you can track progress on shared projects without missing a beat. This feature is especially handy for larger teams or businesses where multiple people are working on various tasks. Lastly, make sure your notification settings are properly synchronized across all devices you're using with Navan. If you're accessing Navan on both your desktop and mobile device, ensure that your preferences are set the same way on both platforms. This ensures that you won't miss notifications, whether you're on the go or working from your computer. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Navan for free through the first link in the description below. By signing up through our exclusive link, you'll unlock special bonuses that will give you extra features and extended access to the software completely free. So, there you have it. Enabling notifications in Navan is quick and easy, and now you're fully set up to stay informed without getting overwhelmed. Make sure to follow these steps to optimize your experience. Thanks for watching.